First impressions. Heard the saying, first impressions are the best. Just think back on the first impressions you made of people you met and you will agree. Yes, you can improve your performance if you get a second chance, but that will depend again on how good you were the first time. There are three aspects to it: appearance, behavior, and communication. All three are equally important and exclusive of each other. If you look dapper but behave like a nervous school kid on the first stage appearance, if you are well dressed and appear confident but do not know what to speak, it would be of no use at all. Be well dressed and appropriately for the occasion. For this, it would help to have some background check on the people you are going to meet. This is to ensure you're not overdoing things. Confidence stems from knowing your facts, also the right attitude. You may not know the answers to all the questions, and it is good to acknowledge it rather than pretend to know it all. With an openness to learn and clarity in your thoughts, confidence becomes a natural costume you wear. Your behavior should be friendly without getting too familiar. When we respect ourselves and those around us, we will neither behave in a superior or inferior manner. Enjoy every experience as one to learn from. Stay calm with your body relaxed. Now coming to the third one, that is communication. It is most important to be prepared on what you want to say. Be focused, be clear and audible. This does not mean you talk loud. Use simple words with sentences not too long. Talk at a moderate pace with pauses at the right place. Look your audience in the eyes when possible. Listen patiently to the other side, as communication is a two-way road. I hope these tips about ABC, that is appearance, behavior and communication, will help you to build an impacting first impression. Please write your views in the comment box of this video, and also feel free to write your queries in the comment section. I'll see you next in my upcoming video. Till then, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you very much.